It turns out that our US company is actually a subsidiary of a European holding company that would like our monthly revenues converted back into euro. We'll be able to do this using the exchange rate in the yellow cell. Let's start off by calculating the euro revenue for January by taking the dollar amount and dividing by the exchange rate. We can then copy this cell and paste it across February and March. And unfortunately, we get a divide by zero error. When we press F2 on the February calculation, we can see that the exchange rate cell has moved to D30 because we have not anchored the cell in the formula. Let's delete our two calculations and go back into the first calculation by pressing F2. When we get to C30, we can press F4, which adds two dollar signs, one before the letter and one before the number. This anchors the cell so it won't be moved when we paste formulas. If we press F4 again, it shows only a dollar sign next to the number, which means the cell is only anchored within a column. If we press it one more time, the cell will now only be anchored across rows. This setting, or the double dollar sign setting, will work for us in this case. So let's copy this formula and Alt-E, S, F for February and March. When we now look at the formula bar, we can see how the cell C30 stays constant for each cell.